A very warm good morning to our dedicated teachers and our lovely students. Today is a day we look forward to every year, not because it marks the end of a chapter, but because it celebrates the spirit that defines this institution, the spirit of striving, the spirit of growing, and the spirit of giving 100%, the spirit of giving one's absolute best. One thing I would like to say to our prize winners, that each one of you standing here today did not simply score marks or win a shield or a certificate. You made a choice. Every early morning, every extra hour of practice, and every moment of self-doubt that you push through, that you overcome, that is what this prize truly represents. It is a proof that discipline, dedication, and hard work always bear fruit. But I would also like to speak to those of you who did not receive a prize today. Look around you. Every single person here has something extraordinary within them. A talent waiting to be discovered. A strength yet to be tested. And you have to remember, you have to believe in yourself that your time will come. And when it does, you will look back at the very day and understand that losing was part of winning. I also would like students to convey thanks to their parents on behalf of Archisha International School. To your parents, thank you. Because I believe that behind every achieving child stands a family that believed on them, that sacrificed for them, and that supported and encouraged them without condition. Parents' contribution and parents' trust for the institution is what makes moments like today possible. And last but not the least, soul of our institution, our teachers. Thank you. You are the architects of everything that is celebrated here today. No prize is won without a teacher who cared enough to go the extra mile for their child. As we move forward, I urge every student to remember one thing. Prizes are temporary, but character is permanent. Carry your dreams and have the courage to make that dream into reality. Win with grace, but lose with dignity. And compete with integrity and honesty. And always remember, and I believe that you will remember it, that if you keep working hard and stay focused, your time will come. And that is a guarantee. Thank you. Jai Hind. You can, you will, and you rise. And we all can have this feeling, have this motto inherent in our heart and in our mind, that we can, we will, and we rise. Thank you. Jai Hind.